Welcome to episode 7 of Rosan's Voice. Rosan regained consciousness, and next to her was a policeman who saved her life. "Mom," said Rosan, sobbing. The policeman took in a deep breath and acted strong. "Rob and his family are in the police custody," said the policeman. Rosan was unresponsive. All she did was call out to her deceased mother. It was as if she was deaf. "I need to go to Mom," said Rosan. "I'm sorry, but your mother is no more," said the policeman. Rosan wailed in agony so loud the doctor came with nurses to Rosan. They chased the policeman away. On leaving, the policeman shed a tear on seeing the heartbreaking condition of Rosan. Rosan's voice could almost fill the entire hospital calling out to her deceased mother. In the next ward was Rosan's father, fighting for his life after his doctor broke the dreadful news to him. It was as if the doctor ripped out his heart from his chest and forced him to live without a heart. He begged the doctors to kill him right there and then, but they reminded him of Rosan, her motherless daughter who just experienced the worst terror. This forced Rosan's father to keep on fighting for his life, for he knew Rosan lived for her parents. Rob somehow managed to organize someone to pay Rosan a visit. He told him to threaten Rosan. He wanted Rosan to drop all charges against him and his family. He knew that was the only way he and his family could get away with all the hideous crimes they've committed. The man Rob organized was his old partner in crime named Rosan. Rosan's list of crimes could fill a tunnel. He was not only heartless, he was a cold-blooded murderer with revolting scars from his victims to prove it. He had a cold presence that shivered innocent souls. He always wore black clothes mainly because he did not like to be spotted at night. He's one of those criminals that had no mercy. Tears from his victims brought him joy and fulfillment to his dark, cold heart. He had huge muscles, which would have been very useful for protection, of which unfortunately he used to bring havoc. Unlike Rob, Rosan was a silent type with a soft voice that almost didn't match his gigantic body. Before he became Rosan, he was a cute young boy who loved his mother dearly. He was raised by a single mother with extreme love for little Fate. Yes, Fate was Rosan's birth name. He stopped using the name Fate the day he lost his mother. His mother was murdered in front of his big cute eyes when he was only 8. He was murdered by her ex-husband, who also happened to be Rosan's biological father. Rosan was young and weak at the time, which made it easy for his father to overpower him when he was trying to protect his mother. After his father killed his mother with a sharp, long razor, Rosan bit his father's hand, took the razor, and murdered his father with the same razor. Will Rob succeed in his devious plan? Will Rosan's father survive? What will become of Rosan's future? Find out in the next episode of Rosan's Voice.